I'm going to share with you two websites that you can earn money online and without any investment. So you don't need a lot of money to really do it. So I'm going to show you, as you can see right here, there's people already crushing it. You see there's $10 here, there's $20, 25, and I'm going to show you how you can even make even more money using this particular website. Now, what I'm going to share with you is something that it doesn't matter where you are in the world right now, you'll be able to complete this task. So there's two websites that I'm going to share with you. So make sure you keep sticking around and watch this entire video. So what I'm going to be talking about on this particular topic is a website that is called Voices.com. And Voices.com is a great website. If some of you have been following me for a little bit, you know that I've made money just by doing voiceovers. Do you have to be a professional voiceover actor with a special voice? Absolutely not. Because as long as you list your services, someone will reach out to you and someone will want you to get the project done. There will be people trying to find different voices, different tonality, how you sound. So you don't have to be a professional to do that. Because I've made money from something that is just random, that I have no experience in this particular field, but I did make money from it. So welcome. This is your first time. My name is Andre, and this is my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Just turn on your bell notification once you subscribe, so every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So Voices.com is a website that pays you a little bit more money than the next website that I'm going to share with you. On here, you can get paid anywhere from, let's say, $50 to $100 to all the way up to $1,500 just by putting. So all you have to do is click on the sign up tab, and here where it says hire talent for projects or find work as a talent. So you want to find work as a talent. You want to make sure you put your full name, make sure your email address is there, create a password that you can remember. Click on the terms and conditions right there, and then you click continue. If you got a Gmail account, just click on Gmail and you're going to be good to go. It's going to send you to the next page. So once you sign up for everything, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So someone who wants these services, if you click on all services, you'll see that there's so many different things. One can post a job for absolutely free. There's voiceovers, there's audio, there's translations, there's music. So it doesn't matter what you have, you can apply for this and you can start making money. So here's the deal. Let's say you speak Spanish and you want to translate to English, or you're very good, you're a native American or Canadian or the UK. You could go from English to Spanish, or if you're really good at speaking English, go for it. Shoot your shot. English to Mandarin, French to English, English to French. You can click on here and you can find so much more. There's voiceovers, there's audio production, there's music. So there's so many different things that you could do on this particular website and start making money. So perfect example, let's say we're going to go over to the translation. Let's just go to the translation section for a bit. Hire freelancer, translator, right? You could browse the different things, Spanish to English. Over here, this is what your profile will look like. So your profile will look like this. And as you can see, there's people from Colombia, there's Argentina, New York, there's the UK, and this is what? Spanish to English. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, as long as you could translate Spanish to English. This person right here is not rated yet. So you can see some of the people that are not rated yet. But list your services. List your services. This is way better than Fiverr, because Fiverr, there's too much competition in Fiverr, and you're just going to lose people. So once you do that, and then you see all the services and everything. If you want to sign up, you click on here, how it works. You could click on how it works and you could see how the people do and how they set up everything. So client talent, you can click on the talent section and you could click on how to get started. Client, you could watch this video, create your profile, upload your image, all that stuff, reply to jobs. So it's just like that is your job and how you want to do it. Learn more about how to get paid. Getting paid, you click on there, create your profile, quote your earnings, and all that stuff. So you can click on get started today. You can click on get started, or you could see talent membership. So you could sign up for absolutely free. Some people want to go premium. Some people want to go platinum. But you don't need all that stuff. You don't. Honestly, you don't need to do all that. But once you sign up for that, you're going to be good. Here's another website that I wanted to share with you. It's called SEOclerks.com. And if you type in voiceover here, you will see all these people voiceover. Professional English voiceover, $15. There's $15. There's a $5 there. Record a voiceover of 200 words. So you can put this together and you can make money. You can make a little bit of money. I'll list your services on there and someone will reach out to you. Sometimes you have to go the extra mile and start campaigning, go inside of the Facebook group and things like that. So this is what you could do to start making money and start crushing it out there. So didn't want to make this video too long, right? I didn't want to, but don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.